Hello guys, welcome to the new video. Uh, today I will tell you how to make a Gmail account. So this is my computer screen. Here we will open google.com, and here we are seeing sign in option. We click on sign in, and here we will click on create an account. So we will choose this first option for myself. Here we will write our name. For example, my name is Ali, and here I will write my last name Hassan. Here we will write our username, which is called Gmail ID. I am writing Ali Hassan 786 786, and I will write a random number again 2020, and here I will write my password. It is saying this username is already taken, so I have to change the number of my account. So I am removing this, and I will write here 2350202. Let's check. Okay, so it has been accepted into the uh, because this is unique username, so no one has this username. So here I will write my password can be anything. It is saying use 8 or more characters, mix of letters, numbers and symbols. So I will write my password here, and here I will put again. It should be same password. Okay, and I will click here on next. Here it will ask for phone number. Sometime it is optional, sometime it says you have to put your number. For this time it is saying optional, so they use this number. So Google will use this number only for account security. Your number won't be visible to others. You can choose later whether you want to use it for other purpose, or it is up to you. So it is saying it is optional, and here on the second tab it is saying uh, recovery email address. Here you can write your another email. So you want to secure your account, here you have to write your birthday. So I will put my birthday January the 13th, and year is 1997. So here we will choose gender. We have four options: female, male, rather not say, and custom. So I am male, I will choose this, and I will say next. And here it will send some privacy and terms, so you can read it by pausing the screen. So these are the common terms and conditions that Gmail use, and we have to agree on it. So these are the options. Okay, so we can personalize our information, our details. So YouTube history, ads personalization. We can make show me ads that are not personalized, show me personalized ads. So these are the default setting. I will click on agree. So my Gmail has been created. Here I can see this is my Gmail address. So and I can sign out by there, and these are the services which I can acquire on my Gmail account. So we will go to the Gmail where our all emails will come. These are the inbox like our mobile have. So Google has sent me my welcome email. These are some uh, things that Google's want to share. This is the timing when the Google send me that email, and these are the services that I can use on it. So this is inbox, and I have only one email because this is new Gmail account. These are important emails: snooze, send, drafts, less, and we can see spam, all mail, schedule, chats, important, trash, categorize, and other things. So this is the way how we can make a Gmail account. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.